Hello and welcome back. In this episode, we'll continue exploring the capability of the Harmony Enterprise RTA module and following our workflow, general workflow, we'll continue initializing the model by entering the data, inputting data for the PVT. Before we can continue, let's firstly basically define what is the purpose of this model. We have like six objective from this demonstration to flow regime identification, identifying the drainage area, permeability and skin, validation, the interpretation via analytical modeling and numerical modeling, doing a history matching and doing the forecasting. Every step of these steps we will do it using the RTA module. Okay, what we will use the type curve, we will use the FMP, which is a provision for the flowing material balance, we will use analytical model, we will use also the numerical one. Okay, so before we can continue, let's say identify some icons here which is very important for our work. Okay, the first one is the changing the plot options. As you can see here, if I change it here, this is a plotting option for the minimum pressure used, maximum pressure used for the plotting. Because once I will initialize all of these requirements, the correlation used or the table, whatever the method that you are like, all the plots for the PVT will be plotted in front of you, as we will see, inshallah. Also here, I can copy paste from the clipboard. Here this icon to calculating the sand phase pressure. In some cases we have like a tubing head pressure and we want, depending on the tubing correlation, we want to calculate the sand phase pressure. In oil reservoir, I don't recommend this method. We have to have like another way for matching in other softwares after matching the parameter and doing some correlation and tweaking the correlation, which will be used for predicting the bottom hole flowing pressure. For the gas, you can use the embedded correlation here in this software. Okay, also you have here a toggling between the table and the plotting view. Everything will be in front of you after we initialize. Also I can change here the units. So as you can see here, the units is ranking for temperature PSI. I can toggle the unit from here. Also I can come here, right click, and I can change the parameters one by one. Okay, this is all for these parameters. So let's begin. In this demonstration, we will start, as we said, that this well is oil reservoir, but we have to define the gas properties also. So for reservoir properties, I have to input like 3700 psi and temperature like 220. The H will be like 900 feet, 0.35 for the RW, which is very common. Porosity here will be 17%, and I can change the 17% from here from percent to fraction as you like. Also the saturation for the gas will be 0, saturation for oil will be like 73, and it will be automatically calculated for the saturation of water. Okay, also you have here the compressibility for formation and compressibility total, and also for the fluid. For the gas properties, the specific gravity, let's do it like 770. Okay, we don't have any CO2, we have a critical pressure and temperature, leave it as it is. Okay, so let's go to the oil and condensate. What I need here is to enter the specific gravity, which is like 40, and bubble point pressure around 3100, the GOR or the gas solubility initially like 781. Okay, and I can choose between different correlation here, but I will stick to the default. Okay, do I need to do anything? Okay, as you can see here, I forgot to enter 0 after the 2 because not it's not a 22, so it's like 220. So nice. As you can see here, guys, everything is put in front of you. If I want to toggle between the table view to see the digits, already the numbers, or between the plotting, everything will be plotted for you. Okay, if you want to continue for the water and change the water properties, you are free to do this, but for this panel it's good for now, and we can continue to the other tape. So that's all for this video. Thanks for watching this tutorial. If you found it useful, please like, share and subscribe. See you later.